The best beach bags and totes for women. Get ready to have fun on your beach outings by getting your hands on the best beach bags and totes. A big beach bag can accommodate everything you would require for a fun day, including a towel, bathing suit, sunscreen, a book, and more. These beach bags are waterproof, durable, and sand-resistant, and come with multiple pockets to organize your stuff conveniently. You can easily access your belongings since the bags are spacious and easy to use. With various designs, colors, and sizes, you can choose a bag to suit your needs. So, explore our list of options and choose accordingly. Number 1. Scout Original Deano Tote Bag for Women. Pack everything you need in this beach bag and make your beach outing fun. The uniquely shaped bag with a strong base allows you to carry several things without having to worry about space. With the heavy-duty strap, weight is never a concern. The collapsible design allows you to store it with ease. Package dimensions: 20 by 14 and 1.25 inches weight. 1.2 pounds what we like. An open top allows for easy handling. Lightweight design. Water, mold, and odor resistant. Easy to clean and quick to dry. Sturdy bottom and stable shape. Interior key ring to keep your keys safe. What we don't like: maybe a bit thin. May not withstand heavy weights. Number 2. Bogg Bag Open Tote Beach Bag. The Bogg Bag Extra Large Open Tote is a durable, waterproof, multi-purpose, and travel-friendly bag perfect for outdoor activities, beaches, vacations, picnics, and trips. It is made of sturdy EVA material and features a threaded non-slip bottom with adjustable shoulder straps. Product dimensions: 19 by 15 and 9.5 inches. What we like: spacious interior for all your storage needs. Zipper pockets for organization. Versatile, can be used for multiple purposes. Easy to clean. Lightweight and durable. Stylish design. Available in multiple color options. What we don't like: some may find it a bit bulky. Straps may be a bit short. Number 3. Hoxis Mesh Beach Tote. Hoxis's Mesh Beach Tote is a stylish and functional shoulder bag designed for the beach and other outdoor activities. The bag is made of a durable, breathable mesh material that allows for sand and water to easily fall through. It has a spacious main compartment and a zippered pocket for smaller essentials. Product dimensions: 17.3 by 5 and 15.7 inches. What we don't like: soft touch nylon and polyester blend. Lightweight and easy to carry. Easy to clean. Available in multiple bright color options. What we don't like: straps may dig into the shoulders. May not be suitable for carrying heavy items. Number 4. Mesh Beach Bags and Totes for Women. One of the best beach bags. This one is roomy enough to carry towels, sunblock, water bottle, slippers, and more. The mesh doesn't allow the sand to stay inside. The keyring holder keeps your keys safe. The waterproofed inner pocket with a zip keeps the sand out and allows you to keep your valuables. Product dimensions: 16.5 x 8.5 x 15 inches. Weight: 1 pounds. What we like: highly durable fabric. Removable strap with cotton padding for comfort. Lightweight and waterproof. Beach bag with pockets to keep items organized. Quick to dry and allows ventilation. What we don't like: smaller pockets may be shallow. Number 5. F-Color Oversized Mesh Beach Bag. If you are looking for a super spacious beach bag, then this is one you should consider. The strong sewing imparts this mesh bag impressive strength. A clever keychain, splash-proof pocket, and lots of extra pockets help keep your stuff organized all the time. Package dimensions: 5.9 by 5.9 and 1 inches. Weight: 12.8 ounces. What we like: eco-friendly mesh. Multiple mesh pockets of different sizes. Waterproof zipper pocket to keep valuables. Sturdy and spacious. Comfortable strap. Easy to wash and dry. What we don't like: the bottom may be unstable. The handle may leave marks on shoulders or hands. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.